Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. The Indian chess team claimed a sensational gold medal in the open section of the Olympiad, a powerful display of collective strength from a nation of over a billion people. This extraordinary win marks a significant milestone, showcasing India's growing dominance in the world of chess and establishing the nation as a force to be reckoned with on the global stage. In a thrilling performance, the Indian team secured the prestigious title in the open section for the first time during an over the board tournament. Although India had shared gold with Russia in the online version of the Olympiad previously, this victory stands as the country's first triumph in an in person format. The five-member squad, D. Gukesh, R. Praggnanandhaa, Arjun Erigaisi, Vidit Gujrathi, and Pentala Harikrishna performed with relentless determination, securing their place among the world's chess greats. Together, they lost only one game in 44 matches, an achievement that underscores their remarkable form and teamwork. Led by rising stars like Gukesh and Arjun Erigaisi, India demonstrated the potential of its young talents, particularly with their fearless and risk-taking approaches. Arjun's calm and composed style allowed him to win 9 of his 11 games, while Gukesh, often hailed as the world's most focused teenager, proved his mettle with 8 wins in the top board matches. Meanwhile, Praggnanandhaa, despite a challenging few months, showcased his resilience, withstanding the pressures of playing against some of the world's best. Vidit Gujrathi, anchoring the fourth board, and a seasoned veteran, Hari Krishna, contributed critical wins when needed, ensuring India's dominance throughout the tournament. Notably, India's success was not limited to the men's section. The women's team also brought home gold, completing a golden double, making India one of the few nations to secure victories in both categories. The team, comprising Harika Dronavalli, R. Vaishali, Divya Deshmukh, Vantika Agarwal, and Tanya Sachdev, showcased an inspiring mix of experience and youthful exuberance. Despite setbacks mid-tournament, the women rallied, with Divya emerging as a standout performer. The 18-year-old, playing on both 3, won an impressive 9.5 points from 11 games, securing an individual gold alongside the team's triumph. Vantika Agarwal, unbeaten in the tournament, and Vaishali's strong recovery after 2 defeats further bolstered the team's success. Harika Dronavalli's experience was vital in key moments, while Tanya Sachdev played a crucial supporting role whenever called upon. Despite the absence of top-ranked player Koneru Hampi, the Indian women showed immense grit, overcoming challenges to defeat their rivals and claim the gold in Budapest. Team India led the women's standings at the Chess Olympiad after 7 rounds, but in round 8, they narrowly lost to Poland and were later held to a draw by Team USA. However, the Indian women's team secured gold after Kazakhstan, their closest rivals, were held to a draw by USA, while the Indian women's team defeated Azerbaijan. Indian chess has come a long way, with this Olympiad victory symbolizing the nation's steady rise to global prominence. With rising stars like Gukesh and Divya leading the charge, India is now at the forefront of international chess, not just as participants but as champions. Jai Hind.